na ipinag-pray ko, iniluhod ko sa Panginoon. He just not give me the desire of my heart, but He give also the wants of my heart. So now, papasalamat ako sa Panginoon for mom and dad, tsaka sa tatlong apo ko. Ang niluluhod ko ngayon sa Panginoon, si Dap makatapos ng pag-aaral, to have his own family too, na naging maayos, even his children. Ako ngayon, pinagpe-pray ko na yon, kahit na mawala na kami ni tatay, lahat ng family na magiging buhay niyo, pinag-pray ko na sa Panginoon. Even Patrick, I want him to be successful in life, makatapos ng pag-aaral ng desire ko, and Ate Aina. Ito lang masasabi sa inyo, in Jeremiah 29:11, the Lord has planned in your life, so don't go against the will of God para ma-attain niyo ang kabutihan ng Panginoon. That's it. Sa mga anak ko, sa manugang ko, yes, si Dap, si Aina, si Patrick, you are all gifts of God to us. And to Erickson, my favorite, ano ba to?
Son-in-law.
Favorite son-in-law. And Ellen, my favorite daughter-in-law.
Kaya hindi ka mag-aasawa ng iba. Ako yung favorite son, daughter.
And my favorite daughter. And our
Officially.
favorite son.